Right people, welcome back to another video. So today we are taking some batteries off some cars that I'm depolluting. I'm starting on this little Peugeot, I think it's a 207. It's got a major oil leak and I'm just going to go down this line from the Audi to the Peugeot, straight down, getting the batteries off everything so they're ready to be put on depollution and go in the bin. This one, yeah, it's leaking just a bit down there from the little oil filter, but yeah, this one's a non-runner. The rest of them run, I believe. So yeah. Magic. No engine. And I got a free tool. Look at that. Free pry bar. Oh, flatted screwdriver. Sweet. Any more tools? I don't think so. No. Next, this Ford Galaxy, I believe, or an S-Max. I think this one's got a block GPS, this one. Not running too great. That way. That is another battery done, and that is how you do it. Simples.
So the DAF's come up with a fault now, or Brad on his way back. It's come up with an alternator fault, so we're just going to make sure it ain't chucked to belt, check all the connections. If it's not charging, we'll have to get an alternator on it. Got a belt's on, that's not our issue. So, I have a feeling that the alternator's at fault. Just what we need. Not how we're having an easy week, mate. Not a chance. We can get a new one. We have got one actually. We have got one up on the hill, whether we can get to it or not, something we can. Right, so we've worked it out. The alternator is knackered. It's not putting any charge out at all. So we're going to take this one off now. We do have a spare engine for the DAF down there, which has got a good alternator on it, so Stuart's going to take that off. But I take this one off, just to make the job a bit quicker and easier. So hopefully when Brad gets back with his next car, we can get him straight back out on this.
Taking the alternator off for Chris. So Chris is taking the alternator off the DAF. This is his spare engine we have. So we can get him back out of home as quick as possible.
Right on the black pulley. Right in the middle of the black pulley. So that's our old culprit. Doesn't look in bad nick, but I think this is this end that's give up on it. So that's it. It's the culprit. Off. Longest shoe at a lift now, get that one off.
Don't break the ratchet.
I won't break the ratchet. Right, I'll have to just cut belt. I'll have to just cut belt and set alternator off. I've undone it all, haven't you?
Well, just that one bolt to get at.
At the back of it.
Yeah.
Maybe we just undo the tensioner out the middle then.
What is it?
Looks like 7 or 8 mil Allen key in the middle.
Hey? I told you. Well, that's that. Got nothing. Got nothing. Bad.
Yeah, let's pop it off, I think. Yeah. Got it, Stu! I've got it! Thank you, please. Big skip behind me there. Stab me back. That other end, newer engines, we've got a water cooler down here.
You fixed it yet?
I will have though in another hour.
Can you hurry up then?
Can you just go out the yard? Oh, alternator's on. It's fired up. It's going to get multimeter in a minute, test the battery. Hopefully, it's charging and we're good to go. Hopefully. Oh, alternator on. DAF. Good. Fire up now and be alright. Brand new.
Dedication.
Where's your car?
I need help.
Right, come on.
Come on, get it.
No, it's 1 minute.
So
No, let's go.
oh, this is nice, isn't it? We just have to drop these off at Royal Mail
Where's your car?
because they're overdue, so we've got to take them quickly. Or else we couldn't get banned off eBay. eBay shouted at us.
Yeah.
What did you say to you, John?
We need to start dispatching stuff faster, which we do, but we just need to.
Busy sometimes.
We just need to stricten up.
Get behind.
So we're going to go
Like
to.
do the easy parts first, you see.
Ray wants a sausage roll and a steak bake.
Oh my goodness!
Don't forget.
Oh yeah. Wait till my favourite. What
What are we doing with this bag?
Oh my goodness. How are we going to get it in?
Will it go in here, huh?
Oh my goodness!
God
I'll have
damn
to
it.
go in there, the other side.
I'll get that side.
To me.
Right, we need to make sure it's not dirty in all the floor. Right, hold that.
Oh. Come on. You can do it.
It would be easier just to all stay in there, wouldn't it?
Do you not chuck the bag in?
Yeah, but how?
Get it, pick it up
No.
and put it in.
Go so it smells like it.
Have you moved your pan?
No, it's your car!
No, it is
Oh,
not.
stinks.
No, it does not.
It actually does.
No, it does not. I've just cleaned it out, thank you. John told me you pooed his pants this morning. Good for you, buddy. I bet no one's ever seen round here, have they? This is a back, or the front of it. All down here. It's a bit noisy, there's a brick guy in there. All down there. Oh, sorry.
So I'm bringing Zoe with me because I'm scared of going in the shops.
You actually admitted it.
I'm joking.
No, he's
obviously.
not.
So yeah, we're going to drop these parcels off because Royal Mail didn't collect them yesterday when they should have. So if I get them gone now, they'll go
You're
in time.
listening Royal Mail.
No, I think it's Ryan's fault personally.
Oh,
Yeah,
Ryan, did you hear that?
Oh, we can't, Mark, we're banned. Copyright. So yeah, we're going to do that now, and then I'm going to get back. We've managed to fix the DAF alternator. Can you get the camera just a bit further?
No, it's nice.
We can get the. We've got the DAF alternator fixed.
Have we?
Yeah. So we'll be back on it straight away. But whilst it was getting fixed, I sent Brad out in the Sprinter, so obviously we can keep the operation going. Luckily, we have more than one recovery truck. Otherwise, it'd be a lot of downtime. Yeah, we will get more, but this very moment in time, our main concern is concrete and keeping the business running. That's it.
Keeping you running.
Well, yeah. But I'm pretty on top of the eBay this morning.
Oh,
Got it
good
all
for
done,
you.
all sorted.
Is that why you're going out now?
No, I want to get these parcels gone, and I'm hungry.
Oh God, he's hungry, everyone. Hungry. John gets very hungry. Oh God, what's going on?
I have been fasting, but for the last 2 days I've not fasted.
Last-
James is back on Monday,
Woohoo!
and it's Thursday today, so there's only 2 more days.
Oh, one thing, it's Lucy's birthday today,
Is
so
it?
can everyone say happy birthday, Lucy?
Is it?
The queen of all queens. Happy birthday, Lucy! Say happy birthday, Lucy.
Happy birthday.
Hope
They're
she's
on-
having a good time on the cruise.
Yeah.
Probably in Greece right now,
Yeah, so they've
soaking the sun up.
been gone for 2.5 weeks. Well, they will have been when they're back. But yeah, we've managed. I've not rang James once, so
Oh my goodness.
not once.
What is that, out of spite or?
No, I've not needed him, to be honest.
Right, what, do you not just want to ring him and ask him how his holiday's
Not
going?
really, no.
Oh right, that's nice. I've been FaceTiming him.
Have you?
Yep,
You
sent me a picture of some guys he'd met. 2 from Australia,
Really?
and one was the comedian on the ship. So yeah, we'll
No.
see you after, guys.
This is having a good
course.
good break from the machine.
Yeah.
Everyone who's been on the machine can see how hard work it is, because after the day of being on it, they're absolutely knackered. But anyway, guys, we're gonna go now.
See you soon.
I'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Parcels!
Is that all you smell, lad?
What have you got to say to the peeps?
What are you both here for anyway?
Filming you.
Why are you filming me?
Because I want to.
Well, film
So
the
you
car.
need
Where's
to
the
come back.
this?
What is
This is what Ben's got in at the minute. This is the old yard, the hood rake, where they used to be. Lot smaller than the one we're in now. Let's have a look round. I've not been here for ages. What are you doing with this?
We've been breaking it.
Good breaker.
No, this would be perfect for you.
What is it? TT.
LCT 3.2, yeah.
So what are you doing with this? Breaking it up.
Breaking it off the parts, yeah.
So Ben will be breaking all this up. So if anyone needs anything, Audi TT.
3.2 VR6
Quattro, 4-wheel drive.
Quattro.
Did you sell all your items on eBay?
Yeah, everything's on eBay.
What's
yeah.
your eBay called?
Old cars and spares.
Old Cars and Spares, if you need anything off this. Hello everybody, back again.
What are we saying?
Back again.
Right,
back
listen.
again. Shady
What we
face.
saying? We're saying
Right,
these order
let's just
stuff.
cut all this up. So, back to the bag of coins that we got my mother to count.
Yeah.
We'll just, she actually put in, I'll just show
No,
you.
no, don't say the amount.
No, I'm not, I'm just going to show this. So this is how long it took her to do it at the bottom. That's all. That's how long.
How long?
It took her 4 hours and 19
Wow.
minutes to count the coins in the back.
That's quite a long time, isn't it?
Yeah, I bet you paid for it.
Right. No, I've not paid her. She did it as a freebie.
Whatever.
So, that's why I got Mum to do it. Cheap. Right, so, yeah, we've got the winner, the furthest away, and the runner-up. So we'll quickly shout these out now. So the closest was, do we say the amount first? What the actual amount was?
So the full amount that was actually in the bag was, how much was it, John?
Don't know.
It's on there, £257.63. So the closest
No,
was...
we'll do the furthest away, then
Oh,
the runner
okay.
up, and then the winner. So,
Drum
furthest
roll.
away, Peter Thomas, 120. guessed at £830.
Wow.
Sorry, but you was
You're gonna
very
feel
far
rich
away.
if you got that much.
That, yeah, I'd be very happy if it
Book
was.
your holiday.
Runner up, Mark H5433 with, what did he guess? I've not got the amount there. I've wrote his name down.
220, I think it was.
220.
Well done.
Well done, Mark. That was close. Now the winner
Very close.
is
Super close.
Matthew Armstrong, 6549 with £256.12.
Well done.
So he was £1.
Quick math, John.
Oh no, you made it.
151.
Listen, so 256 and 257. So take away that.
It's £1.51,
52. £256.52. That's it, isn't it?
£156.
200.
Yeah, but how much was he out?
Wait, stop.
151.
No, it's
£1.
two. Oh yeah, it's one. It's one. Yeah, it is.
£1.51.
It's 50. You're right. £1.51. So
Well done. That
there
was
we go.
very close.
Well done. So we'll send you out, Brad. Now he's going to get a couple more cars. Hope you enjoy it, and see you in a bit.
Right.
Right, so the DAF's fixed apparently. Chris has done it, so we'll soon find out. Been told we have to record because no one else has done it recently. So we're on the way to Bolton for 2, and Josh is coming with us because he's off again after today, on holiday again. So might as well make him do some work.
And do you have anything you want to say to all your fans of the stock car racing?
Hello. And we might see you this weekend in Scotland. Well, when's this going out?
Sunday, so
We'll still be in Scotland on Sundays.
I need my chocolate bar. Not had enough for dinner yet. We're getting this Jag. Doesn't run. The guy said it pretty don't do anything, so. And there's a car park there. So we're just gonna drag it. Got to pull that chain towards the back. Just grab the hook.
no, you got to put your foot on the brake and then.
You don't know. Didn't come through. When people ask you, like, do you know what you're doing? Not a clue. Just make it look like we know what we're doing.
We wouldn't normally be so rough, but we didn't really have a choice because it's an electrical fault. The steering lock was on, but not no more, put it that way. And the handbrake's stuck on and there's cars in the way. Nobody knows whose cars they are. So we just have to use what equipment we can. And yes, it has knackered an alloy, but they'd be going in the bin anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, other than that, we'll move on to the next one and see how we get on. So we're here at the second car, Citroen C1. It's going on the spec. So yeah, I'll show you that. I'll see if the man's in. Stood on someone's garden. It's actually part of the tree. See, look, special effects, black smoke. There's literally nothing there, don't go now. There's only a little baby thing in it. Get some straps on it. People commenting, we do put trailer board on, but he just didn't record it last time. I don't want to pull it too hard, it'll pull it off. I'll get the extension lead out as well. That'll do. Just get that extension lead out and that's the job done. So we're done, we're heading back to the yard. Just trying to get my phone to charge because I'm on about my 10th phone this year already because they don't last very long. See, for this one it got dropped out the back of the truck when I'm getting out and yeah, right. Now it just doesn't do anything, so yeah, we'll manage. I think I've got a new one, well I don't think, I know I have. New one ordered, so hopefully it doesn't take too long. And yeah. Wow.
On the passenger seat.
So guys, it's 8:15 in the morning. Everyone's going, everyone's working in motion, as I always say. So, I've had a parcel delivery. Don't know what it is yet. It's actually to James and John. So I will have to open it myself. So to whoever sent it. I feel bad for James not being here now.
Why is it?
Cunnington. Martin and Emma. This is what I know it's from them. So health and safety wise, I was talking about the health and safety last time. I've got some scissors, not a fork. I don't see opening a random parcel in my office with a fork as a health and safety issue, to be honest with you. I think a health and safety issue is like packing parcels with a fork on a daily basis, not one parcel. So let's do this. I thought that might have been a note, but it's not. So let me just double check that. You might have to cut this up, James, so I'm taking it down here. Ooh. Oh, wow. So, get rid of that box. To James, John and everyone, so good to see you all a few weeks ago, like I just said. Here are a few cups, so you can all have a brew, including us when we come back down to visit. When they come down, there wasn't any cups. We do apologise. The yard is looking really good. Hope everyone is alright. I hope you're alright. Zoe, we will bring you a nice gift when we come down. And 3 Ton, give us a shout out when you need some biscuits. From Martin and Emma Cunnington. Thank you very much. Once again. You spend too much money on us. They do. Literally. That. These cups. Perfect. That's all it needs. Plain, simple cups. Thank you. Right, I'm going to crack back on. Get some work done. Right, so guys, I'm absolutely drenched, soaked. Basically, a couple of weeks back, we usually will put the alloy wheels, we'll pop the alloy wheels and straight in the skip as you go. But there was a day where I can't remember what happened, but we couldn't get the skip into the area for the alloys to go into, so we stored the alloys at the side of the depollution bay, safe, but there was a pile of alloys in there. So the scrap company's come down today, they took a bin, took the engines bin, alloy engines, and then they said, oh, we can come down and we can quickly get the alloys as well. We'll drop the skip off now, fill the alloys, and we'll come and pick it up, because they had a spare slot. So me and Mark was filling up the alloy skip on our own, bearing in mind there's tons of alloys. It was an absolute nightmare, drenched, and then I was losing the plot because my arms were going, and then I got Ryan to help me, but we managed to do it. And the alloy skip is going. So he's taking the alloys now. He's just dropped a new skip there. It's turned havoc because it's just rainy, drenched, and we're slightly low staffed. But the alloys is that one there, and it's full. And it's just dropped off the empty, which is there. So Mark, I want you to tell everyone what it was like filling the alloy skip.
It was torture.
Was it?
Yeah.
Torture. Brian, what did you think?
Absolute workout, weren't it?
Yeah. But we did it. I'm going to make myself a brew. I do apologise if the content isn't the best, but I am going to try my best. And I apologise for my hair because it's absolutely drenched. You drenched, lad?
Yeah.
Absolutely
Drowned
drenched.
rats.
Drowned rats.
Tin tops on it's literally peeling layers off.
Yeah.
But it's stuck to the other top.
That's what mine's like. I've had to take my jumper off just so I can air out.
I wore my jumper, so I thought that could get wet and this will stay dry. And then all the sweat just soaked the other side.
Yeah. Oh, God.
Go on, it's on now.
Yeah.
Make sure you subscribe, like, comment.
Yes. So guys, it's been a very hectic week, obviously, without James. This is the last week, and James is back on Monday, so it's all back to normal. So the DAF's fixed. That's back up and running. Brad's going to go back out in it now. We've just been out in the Sprinter. Brad, what else? What else is there?
That's it. You don't really need to say
Like,
everything.
subscribe, comment, spread the happiness.
Yes, so yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and all the videos will be back to normal when James is
What
back.
do you mean back to normal? This is normality now,
No,
guys.
it's not.
That's it.
No, we've been lacking, so we do apologise to all the hard time subscribers. So yeah, peace out.
I know sometimes life can be tough, and you feel like you just had enough.